Hey everybody, Scott here with Everything Starts Somewhere. We are, I think, Trail 37, Blue Trail Warrior. Coming up some hills, not real hot up, but Frank and his 900 RZR decided to overheat. We got the Talons in great shape. There's mine. No problems, no overheating. Here's my brother Lee. His Talon, no problem, no overheating. Lee used to run a 900 RZR. He sold it to buy a Talon. No, he's very happy he did. And here we are, Frank's RZR 900S. Getting hot.
99, water circulating now. 88, 85, 83. That's what a lot of people do. They shut their bikes off. It's overheat. You got to put water in it to circulate cold
Steve,
water.
how's the K&M Commander running back here?
Good.
All right, many words from Steve. Good. Let's check with his boss. How things going back here?
Great.
They're going great, good and great, fantastic. And there's my boss. Nene, how's the passenger side of the Talon going?
It's good.
Good, excellent.
Less muddy than mine.
Yes, well,
Yep.
obviously, look
So-
at me, look at her.
So, no doors. So every time they hit a little bit of mud, kicks off these system threes and right down her right side. Steve's left side, Kenzie's right side, covered in mud. So anyway, nice day out here, about 82. I don't know, what is it, about 6 o'clock now? Starting to get dark, getting a little bit dark in the woods here. We got another couple hours before we get back down into war for some food and to rest up a little bit, and then we'll do this all tomorrow.